afternoon, everybody. This happens to be LS week. Third LS engine we're running this week. This one happens to be a 416, but the customer chose some other upgraded goodies. He wanted AFR heads. He put some coil packs underneath the valve covers. He's got a Holley belt system that's going on this also. We custom painted it black for the gentleman. And we have a Holley Sniper EFI system on it. Numbers, 632 horsepower, 540 foot-pounds of torque. Again, we designed them the way the customer would like it to be designed, and Steve will be happy to help you with any design you would like. Give us a call, 1-800-267-3940. What do I say? The proof's in the performance. Thank you. Hi, Chris. Got your 2002 Chevy S10 pickup, which happens to be one of our Chevy LS3 416s. I'm gonna fire it up for you. We're gonna show him this boy when it fires.